Hello guys, I am Nabil and this is my first video. I am very nervous. Okay, now I will show you how to download Marvel Strike Force from UC browser. Now you have to open UC browser. You have to download. You have to download. You have to search apkpr apkpr.com. This is there is another APK named APK You can download that app and search it, your games. Marvel Strike Force. This is to search. See, Marvel Strike Force. Sorry, Marvel Strike was unreleased. What the? Sorry, it's my fault. Marvel Strike Force. Yes, we have found it. See, our game named Marvel Strike Force. This is the Fortnite games. You can see the graphics. Hulk, Spider-Man, Captain America, Crossbones. There is also Doctor Strange and Rocket Raccoon. They are fighting strategic domination. Epic combat. You have to download it. Now you have to click on download APK and your download will start. I have downloaded it, so I will not download. Now I'll show you the gameplay of this. There are many things here. Oh, what? Sorry, it is for screen recorder. And what is in inbox or fragments? Go. No. What is this? There are many characters. You have orbs that you can play with. Now let me show you camping. The camping fight. Would you want to be villains or heroes? Yes, you want to play heroes because heroes never fade away. Skipping because we don't have enough time. Why is it taking so long? Is it downloading? Yes, it's downloading. You can see. Oh my. It can go. That there is a wall. You can see. It's downloading now. It will start, I think. This is starting. Okay. What the?